Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? This is your boy PK. Welcome to the channel PK Tech Tips, guys. Today we are back into this old place where I used to make my videos initially in YouTube. So guys, today's video is a special video for me. This is the unboxing and first impression of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the highest and the greatest end smartphone that Apple sells and ships in 2020. So with that being said, let's find out what Apple has to offer in their boxes in 2020. So here we have, guys, the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue color to unbox, guys. So let's go ahead and open the wrapper and hear the sound. Now this is probably one of the sound that most of the people come into unboxing to hear for. So now getting into the phone itself, it looks so beautiful, so nice and so glossy. The Pacific Blue is one of my favorite colors. It's really awesome. I love it. Now coming to the wrapper, let's open the white paper wrapper now instead of the previous glass wrapper that Apple used previously. Now holding the phone itself, as you can see, this looks so much nice and so much better. But if you are not a fan of Pacific Blue, you can obviously grab an graphite color. You can see this, the graphite color also looks really insane, really nice, and the feel of the graphite color is really great. Keeping both the phone aside, you can choose which one is your favorite and let me know down below in the comments section. But for me, I love the graphite a lot, and if you are having trouble with fingerprints, you can always buy Apple silicone cases from apple.com or apple.in depending upon your reason. And this is the Apple silicone graphite case, and it's very nice. It also supports MagSafe. Now coming to the display of the phone itself, you can see the AMOLED display, the XDR Retina display of Apple. It's so beautiful. It feels like the colors are coming out of the display, and it's so fast, so smooth to use. Now the main part of the phone is of course the camera. This comes with a triple camera setup, and the camera bump is pretty huge, and the camera square cut is also very big. Now this is just the first impressions video, so I won't be focusing much on the deeper level of camera settings, but here are some of the samples. As you can see in the bright light, the color looks really nice, really great, really insane. Even the wide angle camera now, as you can see, it covers a lot more area than the iPhone 11 used to do or the 11 Pro used to do. And the front facing camera is also really insane. And you will be probably amazed to know, guys, the RAW photos are really good. If you don't know what Apple RAW is, it's the new mode in the Apple 12 series. It's great. The photos comes out in very large size of about 20 to 25 megabits. Now coming to the display, guys, as I told you, it's the Retina display liquid XDR from Apple. It looks insane. The colors, the red, blue, and greens are really good. So guys, this was just the first impressions and the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We obviously will be bringing the 12 Pro Max full review very soon. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit the like button and get subscribed, and let us know down below in the comment section how you liked our video. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.